Hi everyone, welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. I am your instructor Mahesh Patil. In this lesson, we will dive into conditional statements and understand how they control the flow of our application. So, what is a conditional statement and why do we need it? Conditional logic help us to decide which path to follow in our program based on the certain conditions. So basic syntax is if else we use here. So if we are using if a condition is true, a block of code is executed. Else the condition is false, a different block of code runs. Let's look at a real example. Imagine we want to print different messages based on the time of the day. So let's say if the hour is between 6 and 12, we print good morning. If the hours, so what I mean to say is let's print if the hour between 6 and 12, we print good morning. If the hour between 12 and 18, we print good afternoon. Otherwise, we print good evening. We can write an if-else statement to check the time and print the appropriate message. Here, let me write a code for it. So first, what we have to do, let's define the variable hour is equal to, I can give some value, let's say pi, let's say 7. So we will check the condition. If hour is greater than equal to 6, so we use and here operator, and hour is less than what? 12. So if this condition is met, what we have to print? We have to print good morning. So in order to print which code of line we have to use, console.log, we have to print good morning. Okay. Let's say if this condition is not met. So what we have to use now? Else if. Else if. What is the next condition we have? If hour is greater than equal to 12 and hour less than 18. What we have to print? Uh, we have to print. Let me just copy the same code of line. Just change good afternoon. Else what we have to print? If both the conditions are not met, then we have to print good evening. Let me copy the same code of line. Good evening. Let me run this code. So 7 greater than 6 and it is so both the conditions are met less than 12. So the output will be good morning. Let me run this thing. Node. So good morning. Let me change the variable hour to let's say 14. So the output should be good afternoon. See, let me give some other value, let's say 21. So the output should be good evening. So this is all about conditional. So here how it works, you you came to know, right? To summarize, the conditional statements control the flow of our application. If the condition is true, the code runs. Otherwise, else block will execute. You can combine multiple if-else conditions for more complex logic if you want. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.